Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Neo and your drone. Press and hold the controller power button until LEDs light. Once done, confirm the controller battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. Make sure your phone is mounted and the DJI Fly app is ready. Close other Bluetooth apps so the controller uses the dedicated link. You do this to guarantee stable pairing and avoid radio conflicts, which is why proximity and power are the first critical steps. Now you put the Neo into pairing mode by holding its bind button until the LED blinks fast. This tells the controller to broadcast its ID. Next, in the app select device settings, then remote controller and pairing or binding. Follow the prompts to initiate a link. Keep the drone, controller, and phone still while the app writes credentials to the controller. Movement or signal drops can break the exchange. This step couples software authorization with the physical radio. Finally, confirm the link. The Neo LED should become steady and the app shows a successful connection. Calibrate joysticks if prompted so control matches your inputs. If pairing fails, restart the controller, phone, and drone, remove phone case or interference sources, then redo pairing. This clears transient radio issues. If problems persist, update firmware via DJI Fly. Outdated firmware often blocks handshakes. One key troubleshooting tip: always restart and retry pairing after firmware updates to re-establish a clean link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.